everybody. Welcome to a Quickie with Miss B. I'm Miss B. Thanks for stopping by. Glad that you're back for another day of listening to our shenanigans.
And what day is it? People are waiting to hear. What day is it?
Let me just keep your panties on. Today
No, that was the drink from yesterday.
All this week we're talking about the alcohol shots, the funny, the weird, the bizarre. And today is, you ready for it, peeps? Tuesday.
No! What? You're like gun wild ones. Like, I don't know. You're his groupie or something. No, it's Tuesday.
And he's going to tell you there's Taco Tuesday. And he hasn't been able to say that for 3 weeks now.
I know.
Uh-huh.
And I haven't been able to go ta-da Tuesday for 3 weeks. So.
There's going to be comments out there on YouTube.
Well, you know, it is what it is. And what is it? It's ta-da Tuesday.
Okay. Well, this list is bizarre today.
Well,
Yeah.
The one yesterday wasn't bizarre?
This one's way more bizarre, I think. So today we're going to talk about this drink or this shot. It's called Smoker's Cough.
Ooh. That actually is an interesting name for a...
Oh, yeah, it's an interesting name. But here's what it's supposed to be. The drink is supposed to be a reminder of the phlegm of a smoker.
Oh, wow. I thought it was going to be like something that had a smoky taste to it, you know?
Yeah.
An essence like that. Maybe they put a tiny piece of dry ice in it and you'd see smoke coming out of the glass. And you shoot, I thought it'd be something like that.
No, it's the horrible lung condition, the coughing up. It says visually and texturally, it succeeds in both those categories.
Oh, they made it texturally like snot?
Oh my God.
Oh, wow. Why would you even want... Who gets up in the morning and goes, you know what I want to do? I want to make a new drink. What do you want to call it? Snot.
Smoker's cough. Oh my God, I'm gagging.
Oh. Oh, she's about to choke her groceries right here on the air.
We leave you to the imagination for the taste of this drink, boys and girls. Oh my God. It's a dollop of warm mayonnaise.
Oh, stop. I don't want no.
Into Jägermeister.
Oh my God. That's just no. Oh my. Who does that?
You were giving me crap because I wanted to just about throw up.
Oh my God, that's horrifying.
That's like the worst one so far.
Who can?
Really?
That person right there someone needs to go up to that person and just push him down on the rocks.
Yeah, absolutely.
Just yell, stupid. Stupid.
And they're saying that there's another one called the tapeworm, on the other hand, that contains 1 part of each of Tabasco sauce, vodka with pepper and mayonnaise.
Oh, man. That's just... Who puts mayonnaise in a shot glass? Come on.
Who thought of that? Oh, this would be yummy and interesting. Let's use some mayonnaise.
Yeah, that's just... Okay. Yeah. Wow, that's really, 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 really messed up.
There's another gross one.
Oh, gee. Do tell.
Well, for your sake, I'm going to just kind of change the verbiage a little. This one's called Bloody Apparati.
Oh, no. What in the world is... Oh, God, people. What is the matter with you?
It's about the imagination of the disgust associated with the name of the strange drink.
Oh, my word.
This one has a portion of tomato juice and 2 parts vodka to create a shot which looks bloody. Before chugging the drink down, you have to suck on a paper napkin for about 10 seconds, which dries out your mouth and doesn't really help in the making of the drink that much more tasty, shall we say.
God, well, these people have emotional issues. You people need to talk to somebody.
Oh gosh, the drink, the tissue paper, and the name together do not paint a healthy picture.
No, they do not. Are you kidding me? Who's gonna walk up? Can you imagine? Oh, go up to Applebee's. Hey, you guys carry
a bloody apparatus?
No, what is it? And a napkin. So yeah. My luck, they'd wrap the napkin up like a tube and stick it in the drink. Is that what you want? No.
Well, there is that.
Yeah, that would not go good for me at all. No.
And the last one I'll leave you with before we take a quick break is called the liquid steak.
Oh, I can only imagine what this is. This has to have Worcestershire sauce in it.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
This is the closest to steak that you can possibly get in a shot. This is what they're claiming. And maybe the perfect drink for a meat lover. So there you go. Ooh. This concoction is a mixture of 1 part rum, 1 part Worcestershire sauce, and it's possibly the idea of the steak taste like this unholy combination that has encouraged so many people to go vegan. You just wreck the rum.
Yeah,
That,
that's just Well, you know what Worcestershire. So many people don't know what Worcestershire. Do you know what Worcestershire is? Do you know what it is? What is it? It's fermented fish entrails. No, not fish. Fish entrails. Their guts fermented. Yeah. You let them sit in the sun for a while, get good and warm. Add a little sugar to it, and you're like, that's lovely.
Yeah,
just got to give it a real good name because fish entrail sauce doesn't go over well.
And on that note, we need to take a break. I need a drink.
Yeah.
Back in a moment. Welcome back, everybody. You're listening to A Quickie with Miss B. If you missed the first half of the episode, please go back and check that out. And always, thanks so much for joining us. It's greatly appreciated. And I just wanted to mention, by the way, that happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Oh, yeah, that's right. Yes.
2 whole years we've been doing this.
Yeah. Yes, indeedy.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Yeah.
So they say.
This is week 100.
Yes.
And we took 3 weeks off, so we're actually late.
Mm-hmm. So we're a little bit behind, but we just want to say thanks very much for hanging out with us for the last 2 years, and hopefully that you'll continue hanging out with us for many more years to come.
There's people out there right now going, it's only been 2 years. Oh, I thought it was longer. Well, that was like 10 years. I thought for sure I've been listening to this stuff for 10 years. You telling me it's only been 2?
Yep. Excuse me. So, anyhow, I got more on this list.
I have a funny feeling you probably do because it's gross, disgusting, and you seem to be entertaining yourself. So, yeah, okay.
So, this one was given to me by Wingnut number 2, a.k.a. Amy.
Yes.
She found this one and she said, because Eric does his brew reviews and he likes to do his
this
beer.
this would be perfect to torture one of the males.
Yeah. She goes, this would be perfect for Eric. This one's called horse jizz.
Oh, wow. Please say it doesn't involve mayonnaise.
No, not this time. I don't think there's any mayonnaise in this one.
Okay.
Oh, wow. But I will tell you that it is semen free. So here we go.
What? Why would you feel the need to say that?
Because it says so right here on the paper.
Wow.
They say that this one is a wonderfully vile drink that is a mixture of beer and milk. Okay. So they're saying that this is a wonderfully vile drink that is a mixture of beer and milk. What can possibly go wrong with that combination?
Wow. Yeah.
They say that the taste and the texture are both enough to make even the biggest alcoholic want to run away.
Yeah, I would think that would curdle that milk pretty quick. Cottage cheese.
They say, but hey,
Ugh.
if you like the thick, frosty drink with disgusting names, give it a shot. No pun intended.
Yeah, I don't think so.
It does that make you wonder, like, how many bartenders actually heard of these drinks, and secondly, how many times have they ever made them?
Well, I'm sure that there's always an idiot who's willing to do something. So I'm sure that once you've got 6 or 7 beers in you, they can go, "Hey, you want to have horse stuff?" Yeah, and they're like, "What's that? You want it? They're only $9 a piece." Probably make like 8 or 9 of them. Everyone chugs one down, then they all throw up.
But the combination of beer and milk, oh my gosh!
Yeah, I've seen people do a lot of weird things to beer. Like I knew a lady who used to put half a glass of beer and half a glass of tomato juice. I just thought that was so stupid.
I know. I don't think I've ever seen that. I've seen people put olive in their beer. Like those pimento olives.
Yeah, none of that makes any sense.
Yeah, but I've never seen the
When I drank beer, I drank the greatest beer known to mankind, Nectar of the Gods.
Oh, here we go.
PBR. All right.
John's World.
Yeah. I mean, PBR's been around since I was a wee lad, and it's still helping people go wee. So.
All the way home.
But yeah, it's been around for a long time, Yeah.
Well, it could be wee all the way home or wee off to jail.
That's woo, not wee. Wee-wee's what you're doing on the side of the building before they go woo off to jail.
And on that note, we gotta go. Potty break time.